Hi viewers, welcome back to Nani's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare chicken lollipop. For this we need chicken lollipops, red chili powder, dhania powder, jeera powder, 1 egg, lime, corn flour, chicken kabab masala, ginger garlic paste, curry leaf, salt, soy sauce and oil for frying. These are chicken wings. We have to take out the skin and we have to cut the chicken wings into the lollipop shape. So I'll show you how to do this in my other video. Let's marinate the chicken. First add a teaspoon of soy sauce to the chicken and add some salt and ginger garlic paste. First, let's mix all these things together. Then add all other spices to the chicken, corn flour and chicken kabab masala, and add egg. First mix all these things. Add lime juice and mix once again and keep aside for half an hour. Then we can start frying. While frying we have to adjust the salt. It's been half an hour. Let's start frying the lollipops in the oil. Cook the chicken by flipping for every 2 minutes, at least for 10 to 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. Let's take out the lollipops. And you have to fry these lollipops on medium flame only so that the chicken will cook thoroughly. The chicken lollipops are ready to serve. You can serve this as starter. Thanks for watching. See you again.